All right, we finally got our crested geckos done. Wait, what the? What are you doing in there? Hey, what, you think you have babies? You can't have those. Everybody say hi to Pepperoni. I don't have a cat. I've seen a lot of videos with cats, but no, I love reptiles. This is Pepperoni. He is a bearded dragon, 100% red monster. My hobby back in the day, which it still is, and I still love, and is reptiles. And I breeded my last reptile. All right, let's get this played out, shall we? With pepperoni on it. Come on, pepperoni. All right, buddy. Don't freak out. It's okay. I'm gonna put you down. There we go. All right. Pepperoni, can you come off so we could crack this plate? I like to show everyone what we just printed. Come on, up. Come on, up. Come on, buddy. Up. Come on. Good job. All right. I'm going to put you down here for now. I'm going to take you outside. It's nice and warm. All right, buddy? All right. So cool. Okay, so back to business. Here are 21 crested geckos. I love to have a family. Look at that. They're so beautiful. And they're on there. They're not going anywhere. It's a technique that I use and I learned, and I've gotten better the more prints I do. But one thing that I'm very interested in and I love is the colors. Anybody knows about me? My name is Manny. This is the Family 3D Biz. Welcome. And this is UV Reactive. Look at that. The colors are just amazing. You have all these colors just popping. Look at the details. The patterns. This is just beautiful. And will it stay glowing? I'm gonna say yeah. I'm gonna say absolutely. Ready? Look at that. And you know what? I'll do one even better. You guys are probably saying, "Oh, well, the lights are on." All right, let's take these lights off. I know you guys see that, even though there's a little bit of lights over there on that side. I know you guys see this. Ooh, what? Oh my God. You know what I really want to do, right? I gotta start getting cracking. I like the color of this purge. The purge tower looks, oh my God. Look at that purge tower. I wonder if the purge tower lights up. Let's take a look here. Oh, look at that purge tower. That's pretty. All right, let's get cracking. We need some lights on, though. All right, we got some lights on. Let's get our angle. Oops. All right. Again, these are crested geckos. These guys are beautiful. Look at those eyes. I just want to stare right into your soul. Okay, let's get cracking. Ready? It's hard. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, shit. I got one in my sock. Oh shit. I just keep dropping it. Okay. All right, so these guys are amazing. I love them. They're fun. They will be up on the shop. Again, these are crested geckos. These are beautiful, man. These are really cool. Really, really cool. Let me see if I can have somebody stand up. Okay. Stretch out these legs, get a little workout, get them going. See how you guys look. Hey, you're standing up. Shit. Where did my beardy go? Here. All right, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up. I'll show you some pictures of them just standing up all together as a family, and I will be putting them up in the shop. I do have a pop-up coming up. You guys should come check me out. I'll have a lot of these guys and many other prints that I'll be making. They will be at that pop-up. So you guys will be able to check it out, see those colors. I will have UV lights there, so you'll be able to play around, see what fancies your eye, and you're more than welcome to make a purchase. And I will continue to make these guys awesome. See you guys soon.